204 Winnsboro. We have grass in the front yard as well. Tile at the entry. The carpet looks really new. Unfortunately, there's not a ton of lighting in here. It's going to be a Jenny call on the paint. We definitely need to replace these vinyl blinds with 2.5-inch felwood blinds. Possibly replace the verticals, depending on if there's any broken slats or tears, or Jenny's opinion. We have vinyl, the kitchen flooring, and laminate counters. White appliances. Pretty big water heater. Okay. Definitely some areas need touch up in here. Replace that little drain thing. It's just a few dollars, very minor. Probably replace this with ceramic tile. Not a big deal. It's about $5 a square foot to install. A little over $1 more to install hardy backer, or some type of hardy backer. Maybe freshen this railing up. And that's the property. No skylight.